Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. Today's Christmas tags are super cute. So the stamp set that I'm going to use is this Hero Arts Santa's Door Accessories stamp set. And I'm also going to use for my tags this Mama Elephant Creative Cuts Frame Tags Union Square die set. I already went ahead and die cut everything with my scraps of watercolor paper. I have a lot of them when I cut um, A2 size panels. I always have leftover from cutting them. So I have my Misti here and I position my wreath in the middle of this die cut and I'm just stamping them with Versafine Onyx black ink. So the Misti is super helpful when stamping multiple image like this because you don't have to move your stamp and you can stamp the image in the same position if you need more crispier image. So I'm just finishing this one here and we'll move on to the next step. I'm also going to stamp this bow image here from the stamp set and I'm stamping them with again the same ink, Versafine Onyx black ink, and I'm using scraps of 90-pound watercolor Strathmore watercolor paper, and I'm using my acrylic black because it's much faster than using my Misti. So I'm just stamping them and then we'll move on to coloring. I'm going to use my Z-Green color wheel brush markers to color all of these images and I'll let you watch this and I will be back when the coloring is done. After the coloring is done, I fussy cut them with my detailed scissor and now I'm going to color the white edges to look seamless. The paper I will be using for today's Christmas tags is this Recollections Christmas Noel 12 by 12 paper pad, and I just used the stripe red and white stripes paper, and I already went ahead and die cut them off camera, and I also die cut another tag that will go on the back of the die cut pattern paper. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna stamp Merry Christmas on the back of these tags and to and from. So I already mount my stamp on my Misti and I will just stamp them, and I'm using Kaleidacolor tomato vine ink. Now it's time to put the tags together. So I'm going to adhere the back of the tag and the front of the tag with liquid glue. And I have my paperweight here to help me with pressing the two tags together. For this die cuts here, I'm going to use my hot glue gun because the pattern paper is glittered, so it's hard to adhere something on top of it. I actually tried gluing them together with the art glitter glue at first, and it didn't work for me, so I decided to just use my hot glue gun. I'm also going to adhere my bow in the middle of the wreath with foam tape on the back of the bow tails and liquid glue in the middle of the bow, if that makes sense. So I'm just finishing this here, and I think we're almost done with our tags. My red and white twine is from Michaels, and it's the celebrated brand. So I cut 8 inches, and then we're just gonna tie them on the tags. My Spectrum Noir Sparkle pen is drying out, so I'm just adding this iridescent watercolor ink from Hero Arts. So you can do this, and it works. And I'm just showing you that the iridescent watercolor ink from Hero Arts and the Ink on Tree liquid pixie dust is just the same. So I also use that Ink on Tree pixie dust, and as you can see, it works. So I always do this and not buy new Spectrum Noir uh, clear pen like this, and it saves me money, so that's how I do it. I just use the ink on tree or the iridescent watercolor ink from Hero Arts. So here are my super cute Christmas tags. I love the shimmer on the bow, and I love the red and white background. So this one, I love how this one's turned out. So I hope you like today's project, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.